One of them is this. They have the power to make a wish come true.
Starlight, star bright, first song I see tonight. I wish I might, have the wish I wish tonight. We'll make a wish and do as dreamers do, and all our wishes will come true. You wish upon a star, makes no difference who you are. Anything your heart desires will come to you.
Pretty, huh? I'll bet a lot of you folks don't believe that about a wish coming true, do ya? Well, I didn't either. Of course, I'm just a cricket, but let me tell you what made me change my mind. You see, the most fantastic, magical things can happen, and it all starts with a wish.
Why, good, Joey?